everyone, thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to refill your windshield fluid on your VW Tiguan. Yes, I haven't sold the VW Tiguan. Now we actually have cars. We have the VW Tiguan, 2013 VW Tiguan, the 2013 VW Bug, and the 2002 Jaguar XJR. So we have 3 cars now. This is our fleet. It's not as many as the Hoofy garage. I mean, Taylor has like 40 cars, so we only have 3. So anyway, this is what happened when your windshield fluid is low on your VW Tiguan. Come on here, Brenna. Brenna is, you know, my daughter. As you know, she's the video girl. She's been very reliable when it comes to making YouTube videos. So anyway, I just want to thank my daughter Brianna for making this video. So what happened is, when your windshield wiper is low on your VW Tiguan, when you start the engine, there is a windshield, hold on, let me do this. Yeah, there's gonna be like a windshield wiper light there. For some reason the light stopped showing up, so let me see if I can. There you go. Do you see that? That means the windshield wiper is low. Can you show them really quick, bro? Down there. See that? That's the sign of the windshield wiper fluid is low. So what you want to do, let's turn off the car. We're gonna turn the car off. Want to pop the engine hood. This is the latch right here. The latch is down here, so you just want to pull it back. See that? You pull it back and it will pop the engine hood. And then I'm gonna open this. The good time to do this is in the summertime. What happens in the winter time, it gets cold, you know, so you have to do your car maintenance when the weather is warm. So you check the coolant reservoir fluid. You know, this is where the windshield wiper fluid is. It's really empty right now, so for this you need funnel. Yeah, I got this funnel right here, and just put it here. And what you want to do, we live in don't worry, Brenna, I'll take care of it. What happened if you live in California or area where there is no winter or there's no snow, so you can use a regular windshield wiper with no De-Icer. The thing is, we have ice and snow here in Maryland in the winter time. So what I do, I got the all-season RainX. The RainX comes with a nice coating for the windshield, which is nice. That will remove the bugs. We have a lot of bugs in the summer flying around and, you know, start getting stuck on the windshield. And in the winter time we have ice and snow. So the RainX has the De-Icer that will melt the light ice on the windshield. And so what you want to do, just open this up. Yeah, some of you car guys probably laugh and what do you call that? Oh, why is he teaching people how to do windshield wiper fluid? A lot of people don't know this, you know. They go to a dealer or go to a shop and they will ask you, hey, would you like me to refill the windshield wiper fluid? And this way you don't have to worry about it. You can just do it yourself at home. So what you want to do, you just pour it right here and just refill it. It's really easy to do. Yeah, it's really important to have your windshield wiper fluid, because what happens is in the winter or even in the summer, you know, you have something to clean your windshield with. Whoop. Now it's really full, so there you go. So yeah, it's not much. Now once you're ready, just close it up and that's it. Yeah, it's really important to do your car maintenance. This is like the easy one to do. So it's just right here. Come here, Rena. See that? That's the windshield wiper logo. So this is for your VW Tiguan. But the same thing with your VW Beetle. Both cars, the VWs have a 2.0 liter engine, so exactly the same place. Even GTI with VWs, the location of the windshield wiper is the same. So anyway, Let's check it out. If the light is still on. There you go. What happened is the sensor finally detects that now we have enough windshield fluid wiper. So anyway, thank you so much for watching and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Bye. Love you guys.